Brian, when are you gonna upload all your videos?
This whole weekend because I'm gonna be talking to the family at the house for like 12 hours each day.
God damn.
All right, Mr. Nanway.
Oh yeah, I have to tell Curtis I can't.
And what?
I mean, you have Byron, and maybe Eric to help him move. Remember?
Oh, for moving.
Yeah.
For moving.
I don't think you'll finish at 12.
I'm leaving at 11:30. Fuck it. I don't give a damn. All right, zeros.
Yeah. You're off. Go, short.
What a shot. Holy fuck.
I like how that was so beautiful. He just was like,
Hold on. Yoko.
let's do this. Alright.
I don't know why. It's just like most.
I don't got it.
Yo, sitting for too long.
Let's go. You got one.
I don't
Never
know.
again.
Area code 763. Tell me when you're ready. 251 1714. That's me or phone? Alright, thanks for letting me play, guys. Oh yeah.
Good play, Justin.
Oh, just me.
Oh.
Did you
mention good play?
I just made it, dude. I just made it. Let's
Nice.
go. Inducted right here, right now. You saw it in person.
Yeah. The witness is here.
Let's go.
Oh, what's that?
Yeah. Oh, okay, I see you. What's the score?
1-2.
1-2. I like this man.
Dude.
Hey.
There's some goofy goops.
Oh, yeah, you're there.
I
like his palm.
You're there.
Oh!
Nice. Oh shit!
Yes, Donald! I get better every game. Newly inducted beach player. Yes, number 2.
Yes!
Keep
Keep telling me I'm out of position. Now wait, tell me when you're serving.
Bobby.
Nanway, let's go. That was a great serve down there.
Yeah. I think this is the only net I've played on today that's actually meant to. That's bullet? What? That's bullet? Those are fucking really low, yeah.
Oh yeah, those are super.
Ball? You want to replay the last one?
No.
Okay. 14. Yeah, see. Yeah!
What is this guy?
Whoa, unrecognizable, dude. Oh, this side's like more young. Oh, let's go that way. 5-2.
That's it. Yeah, that's it.
Got it. Wow. Oh.
Why is it on game 4 that my defense is going 0?
6-2?
Sorry, do you guys know?
Oh yeah.
Oh,
Are all those balls yours? Sorry.
this is Josh. Pretty
You guys have-
Joshua. That's also Josh.
Check the other one over there.
Thank you.
I would ask the boys.
Maybe you gotta take the
I
shot.
don't like that. Thank you.
200 shots. Is he really?
Wait, oh, never mind.
Oh.
He's just watching.
That was a great indoor dive.
You're right there, Nawe.
I was there. Alright, me. That should be. Alright,
Love
Michael.
Nawe, man.
I see where you're going.
Serve.
Yeah, outside. That's me. Hey.
No, I'd say neutral. It's just Alan's hitting a line.
7-3?
Yeah.
Sir.
Woohoo!
Go! I got one, Josh. 8-1. Oh, sorry, 8-3. What am I saying?
8-1.
Fuck me.
You just say it's all 4-8.
4-8.
Good job.
Alright.
Yeah.
4-8. I call. You. Nice, get up. Oh, too far outside.
I'm trying to readjust the timing of it.
Yeah, it is.
What the switch? Alright.
You short. Nice.
I mean,
I'm up.
go.
Ah! Yeah, get up.
Get it.
I'll go. Oh, fuck. No, that's me. That was a bad dig. I didn't bring that out the net. Good stuff. Yeah, it really doesn't have pass those short balls out here, man. You gotta get really low. Like, you gotta.
Yeah.
The fact that Alan's that low, you know you have to get low.
Yeah, get low. You say. Short. Oh, fuck. What's it? Yeah.
Oh yeah, we dunked the hell out of this.
9-6? Yeah. Okay, I see. No.
Nice sheep on it.
Alright.
Every night.
Serve.
Watch your team over.
Yeah.
Nice.
07.
Serve.
That's just bad luck.
That's just bad luck.
Yeah. Can't do
Are
much
you
about
sure?
that.
Are you sure I didn't just cut the shit out of the ball?
That won't go over on the steel tape.
Yeah, of course that won't go. That won't go over on the steel tape.
Oh shit. I'm put it back.
He tried it too.
I lost the ball.
That's it. Nah, we got it.
I know. Woo.
Oh yeah, right.
Chase,
right,
no way!
Oh.
Oh shit, Alan!
You know.
Damn. That was a hope and a prayer.
I was low enough to.
Holy shit.
spin on it as well.
A hope and a prayer.
1-9.
1-9? 1-9. Yeah, dude.
Shit.
Back.
Come back!
Oh,
my god.
Thank you. Ooh, it's magic. Switch.
Yeah, it's not way too nice. Oh, that thing is pooping off me. I had to use it all with non-wave.
I've never had to play with the sun so low before. This is only the second time. Yeah. 2-9. 2-9, yeah, I see.
Oh! Why am I not moving while I'm calling?
Oh, we need the ball. They're all behind you.
Ah, okay.
I should just standing point all the time. I find that my jump floats are less floaty and then they go out. Yeah, my jump floats they're less consistent as well. Yeah. It's like all over the place. 3-9? Yep. Out.
Your serve or my serve? Oh, I follow non-way. Alan, were you first serve?
Huh?
Are you first service?
I am, yes.
Okay, so it's me. I follow non-way. 1-4?
No, 0-3.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, so same difference. Okay. Serve.
Yeah. Oh, a little bit more off.
No way, it's not a 2-ball. You dropped your elbow.
I'll tell you to wait. Yeah, I'll tell you to wait.
2-3? 1-3?
1-3.
Okay. Serve.
4.
Oh shit. Sure.
Over. I got it. Oh shit. Going back. Fuck. Yes, sir.
Got you.
I'm good. I'm here. Nice spot.
Oh,
It's up.
okay. Oh, shit.
Nice. Great rally, guys. Holy shit.
That's my bad.
Nice. Oh. 4-1. 4-1, yeah. Sir.
Going
Oh, nice. So touch. Act like you didn't do anything.
Hello? Hello?
5-1. I'm there. Put me outside.
I got stuff. I'm a fat ass.
Oh, shit. No, we were laughing at the fumble.
No, I'm bad.
No.
Move your feet!
Huh? Are you meant to move differently?
You got
a
it.
rubber band between us.
Yes,
Like,
ma'am.
the more that you stretch it, the tighter that rubber band is, so the faster you have to move to come in. So, if you're close to me, you don't have to move very fast. 5-1.
You. Good.
Over. Oh, that's a good spot.
Ah,
That's
let's go.
2-5. 1 flip.
Josh, for this, would you rather me stay here or here?
Josh is not watching.
Oh.
He ain't
Oh,
watching.
hello?
Third option.
Third option. Third option. Josh, for this, you want me to stay here or go here?
One swing to the
Go the first one. Go like this? Yeah. Okay.
5.
Oh, yes.
Muscle through.
You muscle through.
That was a bad set. Yeah, that was beautiful. I gotta get it tighter. Keeping it tight.
Shine.
Yeah.
Let's go, Mr. Quarterfinals.
Where are we going for dinner?
Not what you're saying. How'd it go?
Were you with Nathan?
He was with Rohan.
All right. Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Oh, so it was point based, right?
Let's go.
62.
6-2.
Do you?
Oh,
you.
Alan!
Oh, you're in. You're in. You're in.
You got that?
Nice deep shot. It's over. It's over. Yeah, outside. Come on. Deep.
Hey. Very good.
Oh no.
Really?
I got it.
Even now.
Thank you.
7-2.
Hold on. Okay.
Good?
Yeah.
Good.
Go.
He got his requisite 1. That's all you need. Yeah.
Michael. Yep. Call for me? Okay. Are you gonna go up or you want me to go? I'll go. Okay. Serve. Over. Watch you over.
That's me.
But this is still like SFBB.
I thought you were gonna muscle through with the hard cross. It's not you, it's me. 5-7? 5-7. 4-7, I think. 4-7? Yeah. Okay. Switch that or
7-2-3-7-4-7.
okay. Good counting. Good mathing. 4-7.
Yeah, 4.
Go. Oh. Ah!
Nice.
Damn it. Oh.
Oh, no, yeah.
doing it, bro.
Yeah.
8-4.
Yeah.
Serve.
You?
I got it. Yeah, 4.
Good. Good pass.
There we go.
Oh, why am I pulling back for defense?
I'm still not doing the right approach. Holy shit.
I guess it's just bad time. I want more. 9-4.
Ah!
Let's go.
Goddamn gorilla.
Bunga, bunga.
Get up! Oh.
0.4. Serve. That's the game plan. That's Sean talking about.
You're under the people. Oh.
Nice.
Alright, game. Such a bad defense for me. I mean, this game.
Organized.
My bad, dog. That was really poor defense.
I guess maybe.
Fuck me, dude. What's man doing in transition?
Oh, you're carrying me. That's what you're doing.
Or three-stepping approach. And it's not working. Four is just not adjustable.
No, 4 and 4 plus the
I do 4 instantly.
No, I do.
Yeah. Well, you're middle, so it makes sense. 2 is, yeah, 2 is better. Who wants to play? I want to play more.
Let's fuck around.
I want to play more.
Fuck around. Sean! Let's go. Come on. Now wait, get in. Now wait. Let's fucking go.
Whoever wants to play.
Yes, I was there. Yeah. Yo, yo, that's wild.
What was the score on the last game?
21-14.
Yeah, dude.